I install a display shelf and a handrail on the wall. I would have liked to use a round handrail, but they're tough to make, so I go with an octagonal one instead. Round ones feel nice, but they need to be thin to grip well. With a slightly angular handrail, your hand naturally finds a grip even if it's thicker. Plus, the defined edges look better visually. Now, I'm working on the partition wall, which will have arched entryways. Even though it's just an arch, it gives me a hard time. I cut 2 pieces for the arch, cover both sides with M-cloth panels, and reinforce the bottoms with flexible plywood. Even with a tight curve, flexible plywood bends surprisingly well. At first, I wasn't sure what it'd look like. I was told the deck would lead to the front door, and one side would be like a nureyen, a traditional Japanese veranda. I'd never built a deck leading to the front door before, but I figured I'd give it a shot. The neighbor across the street was going to build something similar, so I was thinking of using theirs as a reference. In the end, we started ours first. Now, I've got to make sure ours looks even better. Regular screws aren't ideal because water can pool in the heads and seep into the wood. So instead, I use large, round panhead screws as they help keep water out and extend the deck's life. But when you walk around to the side, you can see it's actually a normal Japanese-style noreyen. Oh well, no need to overthink it. I'm proud I pulled off the American-style deck. It turned out great in its own way.